Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Now today we are going to make video on how to use the mirror command in Creoparametric software. So those who have software, please open your softwares, and those who don't have the softwares, the link is in my channel mention how to download the free software Creoparametric and how to install. Okay, so without wasting time, just click on the file, take the new file, and then in type as a part and subtype as a solid, untick this mark and click on OK. Now click this option millimeters because we are going to do the operations in millimeters. Then system has generated this interface for me. Now just click on the front plane, then go to the model, click on the sketch, and then next on the sketch view. Okay, now here in the sketch command or sketch tab, you can find the mirror command is here. You can see this command is not colored. It indicates the command for now in inactive phase. Okay, so just I will show you how to use that. Okay, and how and when the command is getting activated. So first of all, for getting understanding that command, we require one sketch. Okay, so and first of all we have to center line. We have to draw the center line. Okay, here the center line command is here. Take the center line, just draw vertically. This is the first point of the center line, this is the second point, and just move aside. Center line is drawn here, you can see. Move aside and click middle mouse button. Okay, now center line I have drawn because for mirroring every object we required one center line. Okay, just if I take this line command. Okay, now I draw any shape like this first point, second point, third point, fourth and fifth, whatever. Okay, this polygon I created. Just double click the middle mouse button. Okay, the object, some drawing is created, polygon. Now I wanted to make the mirror of this object to this side. Okay, that's why I have drawn the center line over here. Now what I will do, just go to the sketch, take this. Okay, now here you can see command is active. Okay, because I have drawn object and I have selected also. Okay, that's why this command is in active phase. If you create outside of the drawing, okay, now this drawn part is not highlighted green, means it's not selected, it's indicating not selected. Okay, now again go to the sketch. Here you can see the command is in inactive phase. So these are the basic mistakes which we can do during practice, and we don't understand why this command is not getting activated. So the main process is we have to select what the object where we wanted to mirror. Select object, go to the sketch, take this mirror command. Now just base process, select the center line. We just have to select the center line. Object is mirrored over here. Okay, here you can see. So this is all about how you can mirror any object. Okay, so just click on the OK. The object is created by the system. So hope you understood your command, and just kindly click the hit the bell icon and kindly subscribe the channel, because for every command of the Creo Parametric I used to put on my channel. So thank you very much.